あなたたちは苦しさから解き放たれるのでしょう。もう耐えずともよいのです。
Alright, y'all, so now that I showed you guys how I section out the two different colors, I'm going to show you guys up close how to do knotless braids, and I'm also going to show you guys how I customize the color. So she didn't want anything too dramatic. She did want blonde pieces added throughout her head, especially towards the front. So that is what we're going to do today. So the back of her hair, the first 4 rows in the back, those are more so like a 1B27. Okay, so it has a little bit of blonde going throughout, but for the most part, all the blonde is concentrated at the bottom. Okay, so as you guys seen in the previous clips at the beginning of how the finished product look. Okay, so here I am just showing you guys. I'm about to part off another ear to ear section. So like I said, I did 4 sections already, 4 rows already, and here is the 5th row, and this is going to go from ear to ear too. These are what I consider medium, and these are, I think, waist length or lower back length. I can't really remember, but when I know, I'll put it in the title. Okay, so okay, so like I said, so I did have one pack of the 4 bundles in one, and that was the 1B27. So like I said, that is like a, you know, like a dark color root, and then it tapers off into the blonde. That is what I did in the back. Okay, when I got to the front, I wanted a more of a customized color. So what I did was, as you guys can see, I sectioned out color number 27, and I sectioned out a pile of 1B, so that way I can have my, you know, have my choice of what color I pick and how do I want to blend everything in. All right, so I'm just going to section out the pieces of the box braids that I'm going to start doing, and you guys are going to be able to see me start adding different pieces just to get a different color blend. Okay, I didn't want to blend out too many, you know, I didn't want to blend out too different colors of hair, but I wanted to make sure that I did still pop things, you know, throughout the hair. I wanted to get it a different look, so I didn't want everything super blended. I just wanted pops of color, if that makes sense. And for this 5th row, I'm going to do that 1B27 that was already kind of pre-colored in the pack. Okay, so I'm not doing any custom blends yet. This is still the 1B27. As you guys can see, I said it had some kind of blonde throughout the roots as well, but the blonde was more so concentrated at the bottom. Alright, y'all, so I'm done basically with the 1B27 packs. So here I am. I have the three rows at the top, and then I have the 3 rows at the bottom. So far I've did 6 rows of medium box braids. Okay, so now I'm about to get more so in the customization part. So here I am. I'm about to part. I'm not going to part from ear to ear like I did. I'm going to more so start parting from horizontals. So start parting like I did kind of the back of the hair, just straight across. Okay, so I'm going to part that straight across, and you guys are going to start seeing me adding customization of colors. Okay, so the look that she wanted her roots always basically black. So I started off with the 1B pieces of hair, and those are the pieces that I'm going to start off feeding into the knotless braids, okay? And then you guys are going to be able to see me eventually start adding blonde colors, and that's how I get the look that I did, okay? So I'm adding a second black piece. I am feeding that into the hair as well. Making sure that I keep a tight grip on the knotless braids is very, very important. I am left-handed. I don't know if that makes a difference in how you view this tutorial, but here I am for the third piece. I am going to add the color number 27. I just want to always make sure that I am starting everything off with the black hair, okay? And here is the fourth piece. That is color number 27. As you can see, it's starting to blend throughout the hair, okay? Okay, so the fifth piece is going to be 27 again. And we're just going to keep on going with that. Make sure you put some product on the ends of the hair. And I'm trying to see if I'm going to be done. I think I'm done. So you guys can see like on half of the, oh, no, there we go. Sixth piece of the 27. Okay, so now I'm done. So you guys can see me adding the hair to the left side, which means because I'm left-handed, that makes like half of that braid 27, like the left side of the braid of 27, and then the right side of the braid at the beginning is the 1B color. Then as I start to braid regular, it's starting to be mixed throughout the hair, okay? But you guys can see when you do that, there are some pieces that are 1B and there are some pieces that are 27. However, the 27 is overpowering the braid because the client's hair is a 1B, and then I'm adding only like 2 1B pieces, and most pieces I add like 4 or 5 pieces of the 27, which means that most of the braid is going to be 27, and that also means that the end of the braid is going to be 27, okay? So I'm just kind of giving you guys like a reference of how you want certain looks and you have to do certain things to get those looks, okay? So basically that is how I did the top of her head, basically the crown of her head in the front. Everything else, like I said, under that is just a 1B 27. So the blonde is more so on the end, but when I get to the top, I concentrate the blonde at the beginning. So that is how you do this style if you want this type of look, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and yeah guys, love y'all so much for tuning into this video, and I'll see you guys in about a day or so for the new video. Love y'all. Bye.
それによってあなたたちは苦しさから解き放たれるのでしょう。もう絶えずとも良いのです。